everyone, Keto Homestead with Jess here. It's been a while since I did a homesteading update, any seedlings or chicks, so that's what we're going to do today. Here in this tray I have some early peas, some spring bush peas. Here in the back I have some German pink tomatoes. We've got onions. We've got here in this kalettes, cabbage, Brussels sprouts. We got some onions in here. We got some celery. And I always plant in the ground. But I wanted to try to do things different this year. So this is pretty much a huge experiment for me. We've got some more onions here, some cauliflower, and then got parsley. Here's my loofah I was talking about, really doing great. We've got, I'm not sure what this is in the back. I forgot what I planted, so we'll have to see what that is. Then here's my borage. It's doing great as well. Let's see what happens. We have some more kalettes here, and I'm not sure what I have back here. Oh, purple cauliflower. Our herbs here, those ones haven't came up either. And then this is another tray that needs to be planted today. I have salad spinach in here. And what else? We've got basil in here, oregano, chicory, and then I planted some celtis. And then down on this shelf, we have green beans. I've got a couple little marshmallows coming up. And then the mullein. I don't see anything coming up in the mullein yet, so we'll have to see. Here in this box, we've got a couple bantams, is what I was told. And we also have, oh, don't jump. We've got a couple bantams, and then the ones with the striped heads, I don't know if you can see that. Those are guineas. If you don't know, Tractor Supply has chick days at the beginning of spring, and when the chicks get to be too big, they sell them all for 50 cents. So everything I'm showing you here was 50 cents or cheaper. You can actually still see the price on the back of the box there. In this crate we have leghorns. Alright, here are the 3 quail that I hatched out. They're doing really good. Alright, last but not least, we have the Freedom Rangers here, and these are the ones I'm most excited about this year. Freedom Rangers are a type of meat bird. Normally people would raise Cornish cross, and that's what I have normally raised for the last 10 years. The Cornish cross don't reproduce though, and they are a hybrid and they grow out really fast. I wanted to do a more sustainable meat chicken and have been for years, and I just got lucky with this. This was the first year that my Tractor Supply company had brought in the Freedom Rangers. And like I said, I've got all these little guys for 50 cents. Mainly this year, I'm just going to be focusing on collecting eggs and hatching them out and building these Freedom Rangers up. Here's my update from Keto Homestead with Jess. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a happy, healthy, and safe day, and we'll see you soon.